Okay, so this is, it's called sheet 4, but it was the third topic that we did, and it's about matrices. So, here's the answers. 1a, if A is that matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, B is minus 1, minus 2, 2, 1, find A transpose, B transpose, A plus B, A minus B, 2A plus 3B. Right, A transpose. For A transpose, we write the rows as columns. Okay, so the first row is 1, 3, so that becomes the first column. The second row is 2, 4, so that becomes the second column. B transpose, same again. First row minus 1, 2, so that becomes minus 1, 2 is the first column. And minus 2, 1 is the second row, so it becomes the second column. A plus B. So what we do here, we add that one with that one. 3 and 2, the 2 and minus 2, and the 4 and 1. So minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 is 0 on the top left. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus minus 2 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5 there. So I've done that one, and that one. The next one we need is A minus B. So like we did before, the first one, take away whatever's in the second column, in the second matrix, in the corresponding position in the second matrix. So top left, 1 minus minus 1 is 2. Top right, 3 minus 2 is 1. Bottom left, 2 minus minus 2 is 4. And then bottom right, 4 minus 1 is 3. And the next one, 2a plus 3b. So we've got to double all the a numbers. And then add on to it 3 times all the b numbers. And then we get 2 plus minus 3, etc., minus 1. 4 plus minus 6 is minus 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 3 is 11. And we do the same again for B. What's this? Different order now. Okay. A plus B. So, top left, 1 plus 3, 4. Bottom left, 2 plus 2, 4. Top middle, 2 plus minus 1. Bottom middle, minus 1 plus nothing. Top right, 4 plus 2. Bottom right, 4 plus 1. And then I've got A transpose plus B transpose. So A transpose, so you write the rows as the columns. So the first row is 1, 2, 4, so that's the first column. And then the second column, 2 minus 1, 0. And then B transpose, 3 minus 1, 2, 0, 1. And then we add the corresponding positions, 4, 1, 6, 4, minus 1. Now look, this isn't a coincidence, 4, 4, 4, 4. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 6, 1, 6, 1. So, there you go. That one's done. A minus B next. So, where are we? Where's our A at the top there? 1 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 2 minus minus 1, minus 1 minus nothing, 4 minus 2, not minus 1. A minus 2b, so that is the A, so we've got it already, minus 2 with the b's. Oh, so double up with all the b's, I'll just put it straight in, double up the b's, 6, 4, minus 2, 0, 4, 2. Right, 1, top left, 1 minus 6. bottom left 2 minus 4. 2 minus minus 2 is 4, minus 1 minus nothing is minus 1. 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 minus 2, minus 2. That one. And then the last one, 3a plus 2b. 3a plus 2b. Well, I guess that's 3a. So it's 3 of this one here, plus 2 of this one here. So that's 3, 6, 6, minus 3, 12, 0. I've done all those right. Yes, I have. And 2 of the b's, 6, 4, minus 2, 0, 4, 2. Add them together. 9, 10, 4, minus 3, 16, and 2. So let's get the highlighter out. So all those could actually be worked out. It's the next question where it says, if possible. That's okay then. So there's an answer, there's an answer, there's an answer, there's the answer. Answer for that one. Answer, 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 and answer. Okie doke. Right, number 2. A's that, B's that. Find AB, BA, AB transpose, A transpose B, B transpose A. Excellent. Right, A. Let's get on with this then. Right, okay, so what you've got to remember, it's rows times columns for the first one, and then we've also got rows by columns for the second one. You always put rows first and then columns. Then when you multiply them together, these two have to be the same. So the columns from the first one has to be the rows from the second one. And that's why this, if they exist bit is there. Because if the columns from the first one, say in this one here, is not the same as the rows in the second one, then you can't do it. Right, so A. Right, so the rows in A is 2. Well, no, I won't write it out like that. That'll take too long. Right, so it's 2 rows and 3 columns. That's for A. And that's multiplied by 2 rows, 3 columns. So that one is not possible. So that one's not possible. BA, let me get this. Right, so AB, so it's 2 rows, 3 columns, multiplied by 2 rows, 3 columns. So it's not possible because the 3, it's not the same as the 2. So the next one, BA, so it's 2 rows, 3 columns, it's going to be the same as the other one. 2 rows, 3 columns, not possible. Now, AB transpose. We do need A and B transpose in all this. So I've got A up there. Let's say, and A transpose, 1, 2, 1, 3, no, this is just for reference when they come in a bit. And B transpose is 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. So AB transpose, 2 rows. A is, so this is, A is 2 rows, 3 columns. B transpose is 3 rows, 2 columns. So that one, we can do that one. And when we come to do that one, look, it's 1, 2, 1, 0, 2. Multiplied by B transpose, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. And when these two are the same as they are here, the final answer is a 2 by 2. So that's what we're going to fill in. The final answer is the rows from here times the columns from there. So what we do first of all, I'll do this with a highlighter, and then I can rub it out as we're along. So top here, first row, first column. So you multiply the first row here with the first column here, and it's 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So it's 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, I can rub that out. And then the next one, this next position here, so this is first row, second column. So in here we do first row with second column. So let me highlight that this time. First row, second column. It's going to go in there. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 times 1 is 5, plus another 1 times 3, that's 8. Okay, so that's those two done. So I've done first row, first column, 7. First row, second column, 8. In here, this is first row, second row, first column. So this one is this times this. It's going to give us this one here. So 3 times 1 is 3. Noughts are always good because that's a nought. So it's 3 plus 4 is 7. And I can rub that out and look at the next one. That was a 7. Then finally, bottom right is second row, second column. So it's 9 plus nothing plus 6. 3 times 3 plus nothing plus 2 times 3. So 9 plus 6 is 15 down there. Okay. So that's that one. So we have done that one. Oh, that's not supposed to be rubbed out. Oh, go away. Right. There we go. So that one's done. Let's colour that one in orange. That one there is that one there. Okay. Right, the next one is A transpose times B. Well, A transpose is 3 rows, 2 columns, and B is 2 rows, 3 columns. So yes, we can do it because they're the same. And the answer is going to be 3 by 3. Aren't we lucky? Do all that multiplying and adding. So it's an A transpose. So it's 1, 2, 1, 3, 0, 2. Times a what? Times a B. 1, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. And it's going to be a 3 by 3, so I need a big matrix here. Okay, I'll do it a different colour this time. Let's go for blue. Right, top left, first row, first column. So it's 1 times 1 plus 3 times 3, which is 10. The next one, first row, second column, which is going to go there. First row, second column in the answer. 1 times 2 plus 3 times 1, which is 2 plus 3, which is 5. And rub that bit out. And then the next one here, which is first row, third column in the answer. So it's going to be first row, third column from the matrices in the question. 1 times 2 plus 3 times 3. So it's 2 plus 9, which is 11. Next one. So now we're going to run to the second row here. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 2 times 1 plus 0 times 3 is 2. And then in the next one, second row, second column. It's just 2 times 2 plus 0. So that one's a 4. And then the next one, second row, third column. Look, second row, third column is there. 2 times 2 is 4 plus nothing, so that one's 4 as well. Yes, that's correct. Got the blues. Right, next thing, we're into third row, first column. 1 times 1 plus 2 times 3, so it's 1 plus 6 is 7. About, and then the next one is third row, second column. It's 1 times 2, 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1, so that's a 4. And then the last thing that we need here, bottom right, is 2 times, third row, third column. 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3, 2 plus 6, which is 8 in there. Okay, so hopefully you can see where that comes from. So that one does work, and I've used blue for that one, so that's a blue one. Okay, right, BA transpose. BA transpose. B is 2 rows, 3 columns, and A transpose is 3 rows, 2 columns. So I'm going to have to do another one. Yep, okay, that's fine. B is 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then A transpose is a 1, 2, 1, 3, 0, 2, and the answer is going to be a 2 by 2. Okay, so I won't spend a lot of time doing all the colours on this one, because hopefully you'll understand, but I'll speak out loud what I'm doing. So start with the top left. Oh, well, I will do the colours, because I'll do the colours. Which one are we doing the colours? Green. So top left, first row, first column. So it's 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 1. So it's 1 plus 4 plus 2, which is 7. And then the next one, top right, first row, second column, which is in there, look. First row, second column of the answer. So it's 3 plus nothing plus 4, which is 7. Okay. And then we're on the second row. Bottom row, first column. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 times 2 is 5, plus 3 times 1. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I put that other one in there? I'll have to go back and do that again. Gosh, this is taking longer than I thought it would, but that's fine. Right, this one here, I'm sure I've done that one already, is there and there. And that is 1 times 3 plus 2 times nothing plus 2 times 2. So that's 3 plus nothing plus 4, so that's a 7 in there. And then the final one that we need, let's just rip out these colours. So bottom right, which is second row, second column, second row, second column. So it's 9 plus nothing plus 6. 3 times 3 plus 1 times nothing plus 3 times 2. So it's 9 plus 6, which is 15. Let's rip this out now because I don't need that one. And then, so this is the green answer. And that's the green answer there. Okay. Right, the next one, B transpose A. 3 rows, 2 columns, and A is 2 rows, 3 columns. So that one's going to work. Right, I'm going to just, oops. Right, B transpose A. Well, B transpose, that is 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. And then A is 1, 2, 1, 3, not 2. 1, 2, 1, 3, not 2. So B transpose is 3 rows, 2 columns, and then it's 2 rows, 3 columns. So it will work, and it's a 3 by 3. Okay. So let's go for some colours. Let's go for pink. Okay. Right, we're going to do this first row first. So it's going to involve this, the row with these columns. See if I can do it all at once like that. That may speed it up. So in the first one, it's every time it's the row 1, 3, and then we do the column 1, 3, then the column 2, 0, and then the column 1, 2. So it's 1 times 1 plus 3 times 3, which is 10. And then the next one is 1 times 2 plus 3 times nothing. And the next one is 1 times 1 plus 3 times 2. So that's 7. Okay, so now I can rub that out and that out. So let's rub the pink out. Then we move down for the next row. So we take the second row. 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3, 5. 2 times 2 plus 1 times nothing. 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2 is 4. This seems to be going a bit quicker now. And then finally, it's going to be this row with those 3. 2 times 1 plus 3 times 3 is 11. 2 times 2 plus 3 times nothing. 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. So that's going to be pink. And that is that one. That is pink there. A transpose, B transpose. I've got a feeling this one's going to be not possible. Because AB wasn't possible. A transpose, B transpose, so it's 3 rows, 2 columns, times 3 rows, times 2 columns. So that one's not possible. Okay, so that's because the 2 is not equal to the 3. So the next one, B transpose, A transpose. I think this one's not possible either. B transpose, A transpose. 3 rows, 2 columns, 3 rows, 2 columns, yeah. 3 rows, 2 columns, 3 rows, 2 columns. So that is not possible either. I'm just going to clear off this pink. Oh, that pink. Okay. So that one was not possible, and that's the end of that one. Okay, I wonder if I've put an extra page in here. No, I haven't. I'm going to have to input an extra page for the next bit because it's too much to fit onto one page. Okay, so plus a fresh page. So this is 2B. In fact, I can just rub out this page here because we're not. Oh no, I might need that. 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 4. And B is 2, 4, 1 minus 1. 3 minus 2. Okay, so I am going to need A transpose. I might as well put those in underneath. So this is going to be 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. B transpose. So that's going to be 2, 4, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 2. So, and then what is it? AB, BA. AB transpose A transpose B. So we've got this, copy that, copy that. BA transpose B transpose A. BA transpose B transpose A. A transpose B transpose B transpose A transpose. Okay. Right, so let's write down what they are. A is a 3 by 3. B is 3 rows, 2 columns. A transpose is a 3 by 3. And B transpose is 2 rows, 3 columns. So if we start with, let's do this, AB first of all. So it's 3 by 3 by 3 by 2. So that one is possible. A B, right, if I look over here, look, B with A with a 2 is going to be, that's not going to be possible. So just cross that one out before we begin, because it's B first and then A. So it's that one, the B has to be the same as the first one of the A, so that one's not going to be possible. AB transpose, well, A, B transpose, we've got the 3 with a 2, so that's not going to be possible. A transpose B, that is going to be possible, because look, A transpose B, the 3 with a 3, so I can work that one out. B, A transpose, B, A transpose, well, it's going to be a 2 with a 3, so that one's not possible. B transpose A, that's going to be possible, because there's the B transpose and there's the A, so that one's possible. A transpose B transpose, A transpose B transpose, not possible. And B transpose A transpose, B transpose A transpose is possible because of the 3 there and there. So I've got 4 to do. So I don't need to write these out, it just saves a bit of writing. So AB is 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 4, 3 minus 1, 2. And that's got to be multiplied by 2, 4, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2. And if it's AB, the answer is 3 rows. It's doable because they're the same, and the answer is 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows, 2 columns. So I'll just put this colour in now. What we're going to do first is that one and that one. So it's 1 times 2, so I'm doing first row, first column. 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3. So it's 2 plus 2 plus 3, which is 7. What we're actually filling in here is, this here. And then the next one, 4, 1 times 4 plus 2 times minus 1 plus 1 times minus 2. So it's 4 minus 2, which is 2, minus another 2, which is nothing. Okay, so let's put these out and move down to the second row, first column, then second row, second column. Minus 2 plus nothing plus 12, that's 10. And then it's minus 4 plus nothing minus 8. Minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. What's the questions after this? A bit more interesting. And then let's get rid of these. And then the last one is that times that and that. Third row. So it's 6 minus 1 plus 6. So it's 6, 5 plus another 6 is 11. And the next one is 12 plus 1 is 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay, so let's make that our yellow answer. And that's that one there. Let's remove these bits. Okay, and the next one that we need to do, A transpose B, which is 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 4, 3, minus 1, 2, times B, 2, 4, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Go to green. Okay, so this one, A transpose is a 3 by 3 and a B is a 3 by 2. So again, it's going to be 3 rows and 2 columns for the answer. So I get 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 9 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5, minus 6 is minus 1. And then the next one, 4 minus 3 is 1, then 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 times 4 is 8, there's a 0. Minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2, so it's 8 plus 2 is 10. And then the last one, let's write that one so you can see where I'm coming from. Okay, so it's 2 plus 4 is 6, plus another 6 is 12 in there. And the final one, 4 minus 4 is 0, minus another 4 is minus 4. So that's going to be green, that's that one there. Okay, let's move on. B transpose A. B transpose A. B transpose is 2, 4, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2. And A is going to be 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 4, 3, minus 1, 2. Put the colour in. Start off by doing this one. Well, let's work out what the answer is going to be. B transpose A is 2 by 3. It's going to be 2 by 3 by 3 by 3. So the answer is going to be 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. So it's going to be one like that. And we'll start off working up the top row. So it's 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 9 is 10. 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 9 is 10. 4 plus nothing minus 1 is 3. Oh, I've done that wrong. Oh, again. Let's do this. So 4 plus nothing is 4, minus 3 is 1. And then the next one is 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6, plus another 6 is 12. And that one goes, and we swap it for this one. It's the same again, a different row, but the same columns. 4 times 1 is 4, 5, minus 6, minus 1. Next one, 8, nothing, plus 2 is 10. And then the last one is 4, minus 4 is nothing, minus 4 is minus 4. Okay. Some people's calculators work these out, but obviously some of you will have to do it by hand. So, yeah. And then the final one, which is going to be B transpose A transpose. That's B transpose A transpose. So I've got these here actually. It's B transpose A transpose. B transpose is above, directly above. A transpose is here, look. So it's this one, so I'm going to copy that one in there. 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 4, 3, minus 1, 2. And the answer is the rows from the first one, so it's 2, and the columns from the second one. So it's 3. First row. So it's 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. minus 2 plus 12 is the next one, is 10. 6 minus 1 is 5, plus 6 is 11. Look what's going on here, that one. I should have stressed this before now. Look, what you've got is that, and this is not a coincidence, it's a fact, A transpose B is B transpose A. And we're going to find that, A transpose B is B transpose A transposed. Sorry. Yeah, that's a fact. So if you've got a transpose, it's the second bit, look, the second one, that one there is that with that, and that one there is that with that. And then what we're going to find is that these two go together as well. You can watch it evolve. Okay. And this next one here. Right, so it's 4 times 1 is 4, minus 2 is 2, minus another 2 is 0. What we've got here, AB is B transpose A transpose transpose. That didn't quite fit in, did it? Let me just rip this out. B transpose A transpose transpose. Okay, we've got a completely new colour that I haven't used yet for this, pink. So that's a rule, and that's a rule. So there you go. Right, so the next one, minus 4 plus nothing minus 8 is minus 12. And then the last one, 12 plus 1 is 13, minus 4 is 9. Okay, so that one is going to be orange. And that's up there. So there you go. The others are not possible because of the rows and columns. Okay, so I've got to stop there for now, but I'll come back to this later. The next matrix looks a bit not easier, more interesting. And we're going to determinants and things. So this section can just be called matrix arithmetic.